Welcome to Online Maths TV. My name is Jakes Anemo. Here we have another challenge on solving triangle. And the question reads, in triangle PQR, P is equal to 83 degree. That is angle P, 83 degree. The small letter p is equal to 285 meter. Small letter r, which is length r, is equal to 216 meter. Calculate angle r, which is capital letter r. So how do we solve this? Let's take our solution. Solution. The number one thing we do here is to sketch out the diagram, the triangle, okay? So, and impute the values. So let's sketch out our diagram, our triangle. All right, this is our triangle. So we can put in these values, P, Q, R. So let the P be here, this RQ, and this is our R. Angle P is this side of the triangle. So we impute the 83 degree. The side that is facing angle P is the small letter p, which is the length, is given to be 285 meter. The small letter r is the side that is facing angle r, which is this side that is directly opposite it. So here we have it to be 216 meter. The question says calculate capital letter R. Calculate capital letter R. What is angle R here? So this is what we're looking for, this part, this angle. So let's give it a question mark. Capital R, which is angle R. Now, taking a look at this, a good look at this triangle, we have one angle given, then two sides are also given. But the two sides that are given are not the side for this included angle. Because I produced a video on bearing and distances that there I explain when to use the cosine rule, when to use the sine rule. Now, since the two sides are given, then one angle is given, but that angle is not the included angle for these two sides. Then we use the sine rule or the sine formula. You can equally watch that video. Okay? All right. So we now bring out the sine formula or the sine rule using the lettering here. And sine formula says, because this is what we're looking for, so this parameter arrow must be there in the sine formula. The two sides that are given, this side and this angle that are given, must also be there. So we take this side first. This side is PQ. So we have line PQ all over sine angle arrow. So we have here sine capital letter arrow. Angle arrow is equal to line Q arrow. So we have here line Q arrow all over. The angle that is facing Q arrow is P. So we have here sine capital letter P, which is angle arrow. Now that we have this in place, we are looking for sine arrow, which is angle arrow. We have to make sine arrow the subject of the formula. So making sine arrow the subject of the formula, this will give us sine capital letter arrow is equal to, we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we divide by Q arrow. This will now give us line P, Q, because this will multiply this. Sine angle P all over. If we use this to multiply this, because we're making this the subject of the formula, we divide by line Q arrow. So if we do that, this will now give us into line Q arrow. Very simple. All right, any confusion? So let's proceed. Now that we've made sine capital letter arrow, which is sine angle arrow, the subject of the formula, let's go ahead and bring out the numerical values of all these symbols we have here now. So this will give us sine capital letter arrow is equal to, what is PQ? Look at PQ is 216. So replace it with 216 sine. What is sine P? Look at P. Okay. Sine P is 83 degrees. So we have here 83 degree all over. What is line Q arrow? Q arrow is 285. So we have 285. All right. So from here, we proceed. Turks. All right. We now look for the value of sine 83 degree. So let's go to our calculator. So we now have this to be sine 83 degree. So we have it to be 0.9925 degrees. So we bring out our arrow here. So we have sine angle arrow is equal to 216 times the value of sine 83 from our calculator is 0.9925 approximately all over 285. We proceed again. Let's multiply the numerator and see what that will give us. So we have 216 times 0.9925. So we have that to be 214.38 all over 285. So if you go ahead to divide, so we have 214.38 divided by 285. That gives us 0.7522. Mind you, we have our sine capital letter arrow down here. So if we bring it down, we now have this way. Now we are not looking for sine capital letter arrow. We are not looking for sine angle arrow. We are looking for angle arrow. So for us to get angle arrow, we find the arcsine of both sides. So this will now give us here. Therefore, capital arrow is equal to the arcsine of 0.7522. So let's go to our calculator again. So we look for the arcsine of 0.7522. So that will give us, therefore, we have angle arrow is equal to 48.78. Okay, so from here, if we are to take it to the nearest degree, this will give us, therefore, arrow is equal to 49 degree. This is the value of angle arrow, QED. So angle arrow, which is here, is equal to 49 degree. So this is Online Maths TV. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. And if you have a problem or a question from the solving, you have any question from this solving, kindly drop it in the comment section. Here we drop new videos every day. If you are also gaining values from our videos, drop it in the comment section too by giving our videos a thumbs up. All right. Thanks for being there.